One of the elements of our corporate responsibility program is around community engagement. It's about trying to figure out how we take the power of the corporation and the employees and the energy that they have and give back to the community.
No one person has all the tools and skills necessary, but collectively we start to bring some power to this idea that we're here to change the world a little bit.
So we organized 300 employees and they built bikes, and we had a little competition around whose bike was the coolest, and then we gave those bikes to the kids in need over at Adams School.
These bikes that we built, I think, are important. It's really about impacting lives of kids, giving them something that they value, something that's theirs, something they can explore on, something that becomes their vehicle. And it's the first vehicle most people get.
We got this grant at Deckers. We told the kids, you want a bike? Convince me why you should get that bike. I got some great essays for that.
When I see us involved in the community as we are, as a company, it makes me proud, of course, to see everyone participating. But it also can't help but make you humble to understand that you could very easily be in a situation needing that help. Very easily. It doesn't take much. And you do wish that if you were in that situation, that there'd be people who cared enough to help you.
It was really an interesting and cool event to see all the employees out there, the teamwork and the camaraderie.
It's not about selling our products. It's about who we are. And I believe that who we are shows up in our products. We're a better company because our employees are involved in this community and involved in every community that we operate in around the world.
Our entire school community is very grateful. So thank you, Deckers.